Today I'm going to be shooting the Colt model 1911A1 spring-powered airsoft pistol. This is the version with the metal slide. It has a 12-round magazine, and we're going to see what this thing can do with .12 BBs. I'm out of .2s, so it's going to be way more accurate with .2s than it is with these, but we're going to test it on anyway. There's the target. It's about 20 feet away from here. It's a little Altoids cannon, and we're gonna see what this thing can do. A little bit of a misfeed right there. If I had .2s, I already would have hit that thing. These things are just flying. Because I stretched the spring.